So your girl got her hands on another 99J headband wig, but this time with some dark roots. Now, there were some fails, I ain't even gonna lie to you, but we had some success as well. So if you're interested in all the tea on this unit, keep watching. What's up, guys? So I got the hookup from BeautyForeverHair. They sent me a whole bag full of headband wigs and this cute little charm bracelet. Look at it, it's so cute. And of course some wig caps, because you can never have too many of those. Also, this video is in collaboration with my girl, my friend, my YouTube sis, Gladys, aka Is That Your Hair? She gives all the tea, all the tips you need to know about wigs, and not to mention she is the headband wig killer, okay? So after you finish watching my video, please go check out her channel. Okay, now back to our regularly scheduled program. So this wig, I turned my brightness up so you guys could get a real good clear view of the color of this wig. I am absolutely loving that it has a dark root, so it makes it easy to transition from my dark hair into the color of the wig. Yes. So it has the Velcro, which typical headband wigs have, and it also has two combs, one large comb at the top, one large comb at the bottom, and then it also has adjustable straps in it. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. I know, some of y'all are sick of headband wigs, but I happen to still love them, okay? It may seem like they're all the same, but they're not, I promise you. Listen, not every headband wig is the same. They're in different colors, textures, styles, etc., just like a regular wig. I'll start this off by taking the wig off that I have on, but we're not gonna rip it off like you be seeing on the internet, no. I'm gonna spritz it with some water and massage it off because I installed it with Got to Be Glued, so it'll come right off with water. But we don't rip them off our edges. I'm also going to clean off my edges and blow dry them back straight because I'm going to put the hot comb to my hair. You see, I had this bright idea that I was going to do a half up, half down, but like upgraded half up, half down with this. And, well, you see where it's going here, but it didn't go well. You see, what I did not realize was that I needed a burgundy, like, bundle or something to wrap around my hair. I tried taking some hair out the headband and wrapping my hair around the base and just trying different things, but it was just a no-go. I also tried tying it into a top knot, but the thing was sitting on lean, so it just wasn't working as well as I thought it was going to. So I went back to square one and decided to do some holiday glam curls with this hair. So that's what we're getting into right now. I sprayed this hair with hairspray before I curled it with my wand curler, and that is because it's a really silky textured hair, so the hairspray is helping me to get a nice hold with my curls. I feel like with silkier textures, the hair falls a lot easier after it's been curled, so a lot of holding spray was used in the making of this video. I did curl in opposite directions for volume, and I still curled away from the face for the face framing curls. So, putting this wig on, I felt like it fit really well and the comb slid in so easy, and I was just really starting to like where this was going. I sprayed more holding spray before I finger combed the curls because I told y'all I want some hold, okay, all day long. Now, of course, you can wear your edges straight back, neat and sleek, however you want to wear them. I, however, chose the razzle dazzle of some baby hair. I think this wig just looks so good, even with just the plain black headband. But I'm really loving this headband that Beauty Forever sent me. It is very holiday party friendly. So if you're having a Zoom holiday party or maybe a small get together, this is perfect. It just goes so well and it looks so nice. They also sent me some more headbands like this blue one here. I really like this one. It can dress up or down, and the blue really kind of makes, you know, the burgundy pop. No, is it just me? I think it makes it pop. Now, I'm really loving this like essential gray one that they sent me because I can wear that to the gym or running errands. I really like that. They also sent me these cute bandana headbands, and I think that'd be cute for like a really like streetwear casual look. This one, I'm not too fond of the pattern, but it's a really soft and comfortable texture. Now, you guys have seen me do some things in the process with this wig, and I still did not get any tangling or shedding, very minimal. And you see how my hands are gliding through it? Just amazing. Okay, if you're interested in this unit, details will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Gladys's channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.